We are going to add a half cup of warm milk to a large mixing bowl. We are going to add 1 1/4 teaspoons of instant dry yeast and let it sit for 5 minutes. To start making our dough, we are going to add 2 1/2 tablespoons of softened butter to our milky yeast mixture, then followed up by a half teaspoon of salt. Remember, all ingredient measurements and directions are in the description box below. For our first layer of sweetness, we are going to add a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar to our liquid mixture. Then we are going to add 1 large egg and mix that together. If you like making fancy recipes from different restaurants at home, now would be a great time for you to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. Now it's time to add our flour. We are going to start by adding 2 cups of flour. If it's really sticky, you can always add the last 1/4 cup of flour to the dough. You can knead your dough by hand or use a machine. Start mixing until all the flour has disappeared, then let the dough sit for 5 minutes to absorb the liquids. After 5 minutes, we will start the long kneading process. Mix the dough on medium speed, adding in up to a 1/4 cup more of flour if needed to form a smooth dough. Then cover with a towel and let rise. In the meantime, we are going to make the filling for our rolls. So in a small bowl, we are going to add a 1/4 cup of salted butter almost melted and a half cup of brown sugar. Add to that 1 tablespoon of cinnamon and give that a good mix together. If you also love cinnamon rolls, make sure to leave a like on this video. After about an hour, or if it has doubled in size, take your dough out and start gently kneading it. For this next step, a rolling pin would be very useful, but if you don't have one, you can just use any object resembling a rolling pin. Roll it out into about a 1/4 inch thick rectangle. Then spread your brown sugar filling from before. It should be a bit thicker than what you see in the video. Start from the bottom of the rectangle and slowly roll up your dough into a log, then cut into 6 sections. In an oven-safe pan, spray it down with a little bit of canola oil, then sprinkle it with sugar. Place your rolls into the pan, then let them rest for another 20 minutes to proof. Once done, we are going to add our secret ingredient, a 1/4 cup of warm heavy cream. Now bake for 20 to 25 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. In the meantime, we are going to make our cream cheese frosting. So to a small mixing bowl, we are going to add 3 ounces of cream cheese and 2 1/2 tablespoons of softened butter, followed up by a cup of confectionery sugar. Give it a good mix together until smooth. Then pour over your cinnamon rolls. If you enjoyed this video, then you would probably enjoy the video that just popped up on the left side of your screen. So go give it a watch. Enjoy!